Alright guys, allow me to begin by apologizing for the mess that you are about to see. I am living in a house where they're in the middle of some renovations and things are just hectic. Now, I just got back from a very long drive, and during that drive, I purchased my first magic collection that I'm going to show to you guys. Now, my aim for this is to flip it for a profit, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that. It's kind of a shot in the dark, but we're going to see what happens. Now, it came with these 4 boxes here. This, and that. And then it came with this box here, which is just filled pretty well with a whole bunch of goodies. I have not had the chance to take a look at any of this stuff. But then we've got this, and we've got this. And yeah, I'm going to tell you guys outright the price that I paid for this bad boy. I paid $400 for this collection, and I could lose a lot of money on it. But I'm really willing to bet that I'm not going to, because it seems like this guy has been collecting for quite a while. Heck, I don't... This right here, this does not look familiar to me, and this is definitely not a new-looking Commander box. I could be wrong. Actually, it might be. Draconic Domination. But I'm really not sure. Obviously, we got some Durgans in here. I like to say Durgans instead of dragons. Holy crap, a lot of tokens. Okay, for a second there, I was just kind of worried that these were all going to be tokens. That would have been okay. There's plenty of other things to look through. Sorry, I didn't have that centered. Seaside Citadel. Is this an entire deck, I wonder? It looks like it. Oh, nifty. I don't think that's really worth anything, but, you know, I think that this might just be an entire dragon commander deck. And I don't know the value of it, obviously. Otherwise, I'd potentially be saying, oh, well, whatever. Or I'd be saying, oh, man, look at this. Look what I just got. Either way, it's a cool thing, because it looks like it's a full deck. I'm going to assume it's a full deck, because the guy that I bought this from played a lot of EDH and Modern, and Standard as well. But, oh my goodness, this is the thing that stood out to me the most. This right here, these are these gift boxes, and they're usually, I personally have a lot of my goodies stuffed into my gift box, and so I'm really pumped to see what we got here. This does not seem to be a full deck, but let's get this sucker open. What is this? Good old Liliana. She's a jerk. She is. But I'm not going to cover this entire collection in this one series, obviously. M19. Okay, so some standard stuff, which means that I'm going to want to, if there's anything that's worth anything at all, I'm going to want to move it fast. M19. So this guy literally just stopped playing, because I'm pretty sure that M19 is the most recent set out there. So then this would be another M19 set right here. But I don't know. I found a couple of these bad boys right here. And I haven't bought into Magic in a little while. Eldritch Moon was the last set that I bought. Okay, so the memory on my phone seems to have just about maxed out. I deleted a couple of older videos to make room to be able to finish this one. Sheesh, having a full phone. How irritating. But in any case, I will be doing multiple videos in this series as I find stuff, because, man, I'm really pumped. $400 plus about $15 in gas for driving. So I'm going to say $415 is what I spent on this collection. So at least $415 is my goal. I think that I can get it. What do you guys think? Do you think that I've just made a real silly mistake, or do you think that this is something that I can make a profit off of? This is really light. Let's glance. Ooh. Alright, until the next video, guys. Bye.